Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a restaurant reservation on the Caesar Rewards application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the Do and See button down below, which is the third option. Tap on Dining at the top of the page after selecting your location at the top. And here you have three options. You can use the search bar to type in the name of the restaurant if you have a particular one in mind. You can sort by popularity or by name, and you can also apply filters. Here you have the options. Tap on the relevant one. Here you can see the opening hours and details. Click on the Make a Reservation button. Then you should select the number of guests or people, then the date and the time as well. Click on the Done button, and then you will be able to find the here you can see the available tables and the hours. You can type in your name, email address, phone number. You can add a note to your reservation, but it is optional, and then click on the reserve table down below, thereby finishing the process of booking a table. So that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.